Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is a little cute side bag. So these are the pieces that you're going to need. I will link it below. And the first step is to sew this beautiful zipper on. So just sew all the way across. And then you're going to take the lining fabric and we're going to sew it all the way across on the other end around that loop and just pin it carefully. Make sure that it lines up perfectly. It should if you cut everything correctly. Okay, so once you sew all the way across, it should look like this, and then you're just going to top stitch the zipper. So this next step is very important. We want to match up these corner pieces. So we're just going to fold it in half and put a little line in the middle so that we know where to match it up on both the outside fabric and your lining fabric. And then you're also going to do the same thing for that little top piece so that everything matches up perfectly and evenly. So now we're just going to match up those center pieces, the little center lines that we just drew, and we're going to sew all the way across. So then you're going to do the same thing with the lining fabric, and when you're done, it should look like this, and you're going to top stitch. Okay, so once you're finished top stitching, we're going to close up these corners. Okay, once you're done sewing the corners, it should look like this, and then we're just going to sew it all the way around. So then we're just going to attach it, the ends on the sides. Once you're done with that, we're going to construct the bag more together, and we're going to do kind of sandwich it together and sew all the way around. So just make sure that you are pinning everything nice. I'm using these little clips, which makes it just easier for me. But everything should line up perfectly. Make sure everything is flat, all the edges are even. Okay, so once you do that side, you're going to do the same thing with that extra lining piece, and just make sure that you leave a hole at the bottom to birth our bag. So now we sewed all the way around, and now you birth your bag. Just flip it inside out, and then you're just going to sew that little opening closed. And this is what it looks like at the end. It is super cute. And I hope you guys found this tutorial easy and helpful. Again, everything I used and any videos will be linked below.